but I've also seen like what I feel like is a larger, cookbook from you, and it's big. There's a lot of stuff that you can offer. Okay, which gives me as a client an appreciation of, okay, how do you get from this big playbook and this big list of capabilities down to the few things that we're actually going to execute on, or a roadmap of the things we're going to execute on, right? First this, then this, then this, is through conversations and you understanding our business and your team understanding our business. So that's the big difference. Not that I have like some overwhelming experience or all of this insight on marketing, but to me that is a huge difference, and it comes across very clearly that you take the time to invest and learn about the business before you start throwing things at the wall and see what sticks. Yeah, always enjoy our conversations and really feel like they're always very productive. And then on the execution side, very strong as well. So like once we decided, okay, this is what we're going to do, very task oriented, and you have a timeline and you stick to it and get the stuff done. So